Hello everyone. So today we are going to understand that how Python powers machine learning. So first of all, Python is very easy to read and write. So we can focus on logic only, not the syntax. Like here, x is equal to 1 comma 3. So we can understand that x is equal to 133. It is a list that of three numbers given and variable name is x. So we can understand like how Python is working very good. Again, Python has very a lots of powerful machine learning libraries that do the heavy lifting, like NumPy for math and arrays, Pandas for data handling, Scikit-learn for ML models, TensorFlow for deep learning models. And in Python, we also have very good uh, model building, and it is very fast. With Python, we can train a machine learning model with in just a few line of codes. Also, Python handles everything like data cleaning, training, prediction, and visualization. That's why Python powers modern machine learning for mach- uh, uh, for prediction and analysis. Here, this is an example that from scikit-learn we are importing a machine learning library with machine learning models, which is linear regression. And here in X, this is a features and Y is the target variable. We are going to fit our models. We are going to fit our models on X and Y. Y is our target, and then we are predicting based on the 5. X is equal to 5. So if we can run it by shift enter on the keyboard, we can see here that for 5, for the value of x is equal to 5, the prediction has been arrived as 50. So that's all for this class, this video. Thank you, everyone.